Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the default font in PowerPoint. First, open your presentation. Navigate to the View tab on the ribbon, then locate and click on Slide Master in the Master Views group. This special view allows you to make universal changes that affect every slide in your presentation, ensuring a consistent and professional look. It's the most effective way to manage your presentation's typography. Once in Slide Master View, select the very first slide thumbnail at the top of the left-hand pane. This is the main slide master, which governs all subsequent layouts. Now, on the Slide Master tab, find the background group. Click on the Fonts drop-down menu and choose a new font theme. You can also customize specific fonts for headings and body text directly from here, ensuring your chosen style is applied universally. After you've selected your preferred font combination, it's crucial to save these changes as a custom theme. On the Slide Master tab, click the Fonts drop-down once more. Then, select Customize Fonts to fine-tune your heading and body text choices. Once satisfied, click Save Current Theme to store your new default font settings. This ensures your custom fonts are readily available for all future presentations you create. To finalize your changes, simply click Close Master View on the Slide Master tab. Your presentation will now reflect the new default fonts you've set. For new presentations, you can apply your custom theme from the Design tab under the Themes group. Your chosen fonts will automatically be used for all new slides, saving you significant time and ensuring brand consistency across all your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.